What's going on, guys? Got another video for you guys today. Today I got the Viewmaster virtual reality starter pack. Sorry that I didn't post a video in so long. Been really busy. So around the box, you got Viewmaster. On the back, got Open Your Eyes to Virtual Reality. Here's the list of the smartphones that are compatible. You can pause it there and look if you want. Okay. At the bottom, just got, all your standard like barcodes and stuff, whatever. Alright, let's open this up. Okay, I'm doing this with one hand, so bear with me. Alright, got my unboxing knife here. Okay, so let's see what's inside. Okay, so there it is. I can tell you what to do. Gotta download the app and all that. For the first time use, gotta put all this. So I'm just gonna be unboxing this. I'm not gonna really review this. So let's just see what's inside. Okay. So, got the device itself. Looks good. Let's put that aside. And what else do we got here? Preview reel. Okay, so just I guess these are like some preview stuff that you put in there. See? And what is this? Not sure what that is. Okay. Alright, that was just a quick little unboxing. Just to keep my channel active. Hope you guys enjoy. When I have time, I'll record how this actually looks like inside and how it is. Picked this up from Best Buy for about 30 bucks. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed this video. See you guys in the next one. Peace.
Hey guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. TorontoEntz right here. Also give the videos a thumbs up. If you guys want to see some of my next video, comment down below. Check out Vezi PhD right here. He's got some crazy how-tos and motivational speaking. Also check out DanRam109. He's got some epic Transformers stop motions.